everybody. And oh no, my backyard is just flooded. No. Well, we have those catch basins. And this is clogged. Look at this. And plus, I have all those containers to dump out. Let's dump the gray one. And just the gray one. Whoa. I better pry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where did it go? Where is it? Okay, so I pried it. Whoa. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's just flooding. Let's dump the second one. Whoa. Whoa, just check it out. I could literally just put my hand in it because I pried it. But don't worry, I'll put it back. I will. Oh my gosh, it's almost overflowing. Yeah, take this out. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's draining. Look at this. You're waiting to see this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I better remove everything. This 9x9 catch basin is working extremely hard. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! How much longer? And look at this creek! Oh my gosh! I better put some more soil around it after this video. Okay, so that one settled down. Let's put the thing back. Plus, I have this to dump out. Get my hands dry. Whoa! Whoa! Check this out! Whoa! 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 What the? Look, it's a whirlpool. This one is almost clogged up. This one is working really well. This one is a whirlpool. Oh my gosh! Oh no, it's clogged up again. I had to take this out for better drainage. Unfortunately, I cannot take out the other one. Well, it's pretty good. So let's pop that in. Oh no. Why did I do that? I put it in the wrong way. Okay, good. Again? How many more times? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's draining. Oh, it's pulling my hand in. Again! It is working really hard. It's working really hard, but it's doing it. Oh no! Whoa. And if you're wondering what's inside, here is the answer. My hands don't want to react to the screen. Have to wipe it off. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, everything is just collecting over here. Yeah, it's so cold. Yeah, I better find it. There it is. Okay, it's draining. But it's so slow. I better put the lid back. So cold, so cold. This one has settled down. You're waiting to say this. When I put this back, this is what it looks like. Okay, it's back to normal. Yeah. Turn off the hose, because I don't want to flood like this ever again. I had this 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. Okay, bye.